Okay, so she says, "Hi, Steph. I saw him at the gym today after a year. I think I manifested seeing him in person. Still not getting my manifestation or that text. And she wanted to know if this is a huge sign." Okay, so I want you to look at this from a law of assumption standpoint. There is no such thing as a coincidence. You have been living in the end in your mind as if you are with your person now. You're manifesting a text and you hadn't seen your person at the gym in a year and you saw them at the gym. Now, wouldn't you look at this as, wow, I am so powerful. What I have been affirming and assuming has impressed upon my subconscious mind. And this is incredible that after a year, I saw my specific person at the gym. That is all you. You manifested that. We are manifesting 24/7, unconsciously and consciously. And after a year of not seeing your person at the gym, you saw them. So instead of looking at this as, oh my gosh, I'm so powerful, I'm the creator of my reality, and after a year I manifested seeing my person at the gym, you are saying, but I didn't get that text, whatever. This is a bridge of incidents leading you to your manifestation. How do you know that after seeing him at the gym, he wouldn't have sent you a text after? But instead of looking at this as, wow, I'm so powerful, I manifested seeing him at the gym, after a year, you are stuck on the fact that you have not received that text. You need to give everything positive meaning in your reality. It is not your job to figure out the how, the when, the where, the why. So give this positive meaning and you continue persisting in the end in your mind as if you have what you want now and your 3D has to conform. It is law. Keep going. You got this. Follow me for more tips.